There's Maria heading off into the water. She's going for the dip. It's quite calm water this morning. Okay, we're down at the beach this morning. It's Saturday morning, 31st of January already. Time's flying by. And this is one of the best things about Australia is the beach. Just come down, read a book, have a coffee. Got my coffee here in the old Western Horse Cup. Just gonna sit there for a couple of hours. And the umbrella, because the sun's rays in Australia is brutal. Yeah, especially when I work outside as well today, so you know if you work outside, you got to be very careful with the high UV, or it's usually extreme in Australia, the UV. This is one of the pros of living in Australia. And you can do this for a fair bit of the year. It's a bit windy this morning though, but the breeze is nice actually. It's going to be, I think it was 37 today, or 39, I'm not quite sure. But I'll show you the beach. It's completely silent, the beach. There's hardly anybody down here. Even though you was in the city. So yeah, this is Queen's Beach. Queen's Beach. I'll just show you around. As you can see, the beach is completely dead. There's hardly anybody here. There's some type of oil rig up there. It's going out into the ocean. All the way out. There's hardly anybody down here. It's not the wind. Down there is Danny Marina. Actually, it's just up there. You can see the flags in the water. That's where the shark net is. So this is the Indian Ocean. Oh, Maria's over there now. This is the Indian Ocean. Right over that way is South Africa and Mauritius. Well, it's not quite as blue as it normally is because the sun's still behind us at the moment. When it comes to later, you'll see all the different colours of blue in there. It's beautiful. I'll do a bit more video before we leave when I got the top there. There you go guys, got a nice close up now of the Indian Ocean. It's so bright. As you can see down there where the shark net is, the mass of people, it's always packed down there. You can never park. But you never know, you might see a shark. Maria's over there with the umbrella. So just behind his houses there. Just behind. Ooh, that water's cold. Woo. That's one thing you'll find out about the ocean in WA. The water is really cold. It's much colder than the ocean in the UK. But then it's much bluer too. So that's one thing I suppose. So yeah. You see all manner of creatures here. You can see every now and again you see stingrays and dolphins, and you'll get some whales coming past with the calves. And there's another area down further you can just go snorkeling in. It's right down past where Mindarie is down there, down by Scarborough Beach, closer to the city, and it's called Metham's Pool. You can take your snorkel down there, and some of the reefs down there are amazing, absolutely amazing. Some guys on jet skis over there. There you go. You see a lot of jet skis and a lot of boats. There's a big boat just went down that way. Don't know what it was. So that's Bindari down there on the end. And there's like an oil rig or something over there. Or gas rig that they're taking out. And in that direction over there is over where we live, where the Jindalee Beach Shack is. We go for breakfast sometimes. On what I call the Bogan Beach. Just over the other side of that wall there. Yeah, so that's one of the pros of being in Australia. Getting to come down here most of the year. You get about 9 months of good weather. About 6 where you can actually sit on the beach. As long as you're not getting blasted by the sand and the wind. So when I come back to you now, I'll show you from up above the different colours in the water. Just walked up the hill. It's a bit of a walk down to there. But you see the colours of the beach now. I'll just swing it around. Bloody hell. And the sun's still not up fully yet, so it'll be a lot lighter a bit later. There's the shark net I was saying about down there. You can see it roped off. And all those lucky people that are just living here, most of them don't even come out on their balconies, they're alone to the beach. And you always got to watch for snakes and stuff around here too. We've seen quite a few of them go right across the path. A lot of dugites and tiger snakes, so some of the most poisonous in the world. And we're over there, knackered after walking up the hill. Right, on we go. Right, we're gonna take a drive back to the house now from the beach. Show you how far away we are. Once this guy stops doing 3 kilometers an hour. I know we got one coming the other way as well. Alright, just gonna spin around. Oh. Camera stay where I want it to. If you will. Oh, that needs to stay there. Oh my god. It's been all good. Oh. So this is Queen's Beach down by here, remember? I think. Queen's Beach? Just here? Something like that. There we go. We've got a couple of restaurants down here and a surf club. Portofino's is an Indian restaurant. A bar and a small area. So we're only about a few minutes from the house. Pretty close. Only I'll take my time so you can see what's here. There's the bar and Portofino's. Just there. Oh, AC/DC's on the radio. Are you in Australia? A lot of people park there. So now we're going to go up the hill through Quins Rocks. The aircon is blasting, we're both sweating like dogs. And AC/DC on the radio. The roads are usually really good, but look at it, it's getting terrible. They normally resurface roads in Australia when they don't need to be resurfaced. This is a mixture of old and new houses down here because it's an older area. When the city was a lot older, this was like a place where holiday homes used to be. going to go down towards Marmion Ave now, and then towards where we live. So we basically live on that hill in front.
It must be on 30 degrees.
31 at the moment. That's the school on the right there then. This is the post office down there. Shops.
That's very expensive. Shame because that's a nice school name.
Fuel's gone back down again. Most places about $1.55 to 50, 164 there, which is about 70 to 80 pence a litre. Right, this is Marmion Ave. So this goes all the way from Fremantle to right up to Yanchep and Two Rocks, which is right at the top. So it's a quick ride on Marmion Ave by here now. Sorry about the bouncing. What's your favourite singer? You hate the song. Oh yeah, it's so bouncy today. That's where they've been doing the roadworks. We're gonna have a bit of lunch now. Maria still haven't decided what she wants. Let's see. She did suggest chopsticks, which is the Vietnamese, isn't it, Maria? I think. It is nice. Every carriage is ridiculous. It's like one is 65 and another one's $1.55, and you'll see other ones that are nearly $2 a litre. Palm trees over there. So I'm going to check it right here now. To Butler. This is Lucan Drive, it goes onto the freeway. And then up by here, like there is in every single suburb in Perth, there's a McDonald's. There's every takeaway food you can think of on every corner, just about.
That's super while she's busy.
McDonald's there on the left. Stuff in the garage. And there's the freeway there that go to the city or north. So literally this is where we live. I'm not going to show you exactly where we live, but if you don't know me. But this is the area we live in. See how it's bent from the wind? It's got a curve in it, like a boomerang. Alright, so we're going to cut the video here and then pick it back up after.